How to do half swipe on Instagram. The half swipe on Instagram is a technique used primarily in direct messages to preview a message without sending a receipt. Here is how you can do it. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your account. Tap on the chat icon at top right corner of the screen to access your direct message section. Now look at the conversation from which you want to preview message. The half swipe technique is not as commonly used or effective on Android due to differences in how the swiping gestures are interpreted. However, you can try gently swiping to the right without fully opening the conversation. If you see the message and want to avoid marking it as read, release the swipe before it reaches to the end. Remember, Instagram frequently updates its app and this method might change. If it doesn't work, you may need to look for alternative ways to achieve similar results, such as turning on airplane mode or using third-party apps, though this method might have limitations or risks. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.